The Wago I/O System 750 is a successful innovation worldwide in decentralized automation. It consists of various field bus couplers for the most important field bus systems and highly modular field bus independent digital and analog I/O modules for different powers and potentials. Another step toward decentralization is the introduction of intelligent programmable controllers used in the field. The programmable field bus controller is an intelligent progression of the Wago I/O system. The programmable field bus controller allows control functions as well as standalone applications. Pre-processing of the local signals considerably reduces the field bus data overhead, increasing speed and performance. The programmable field bus controller allows a programmed response in the event of a field bus failure, and localized control is maintained. Alternatively, a shutdown procedure may be programmed. The programming is done via software in accordance with IEC 1131-3, covering all 5 languages. Instruction List, IL. Ladder Logic, LL. Function Block Diagram, FBD. Structured Text, ST. Flowchart, FC. Extensive help and test functions are offered for the programming and startup phases. These functions include automatic declaration of variables, online status indication in the program code, offline simulation, integrated visual display of internal and external markers. Together with all the I/O modules of the Wago I/O System 750, the programmable field bus controller offers the user hardware that is optimized for a specific application.